And we've made it here for the Morgan Hill Wine Trolley. Here we go.
Nestled between Paso Robles and Napa, the Santa Clara Valley wine region is a hidden gem in Northern California. Located just south of Silicon Valley, it boasts a rich winemaking history, picturesque vineyards, and award-winning wines. It was just a short 20-minute drive for us to reach the city of Morgan Hill, where we began our discovery. Every journey begins with a moment, a spark that promises something extraordinary. For us, it started with the clink of champagne glasses in the heart of Morgan Hill, where adventure awaited us on the Morgan Hill Wine Trolley. This is the story of how wine, history, and connection turned an ordinary afternoon into something unforgettable.
The MOHI Farm restaurant was the perfect starting point. As we sipped our champagne and savored elegant appetizers, we could feel the anticipation building. We knew this was the beginning of an extraordinary day. Welcome to Polkada Adventures. Today we are in the beautiful city of Morgan Hill, waiting for the wine trolley. And in the meantime, I am here having a cappuccino. So hang in there with us, and we're going to go to 3 wineries. It's a surprise. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Well, we've made it to the party bus.
The South Santa Clara County wine region, just south of Silicon Valley, is a hidden gem. It's one of California's oldest wine-producing areas, with a history stretching back to the 1850s, when European settlers planted the first vines.
Today, over 30 wineries call this area home, producing some of the finest wines you've never heard of. This area is special because of its unique microclimate, cool breezes from the nearby Santa Cruz Mountains, and warm sunny days create ideal conditions for growing premium wine grapes. A surprising fact is that some of the oldest Zinfandel vines in the country are right here in this region.
We got our first little bit of champagne here.
Yes,
MOHI Ranch.
that's right. And they are the ranch that's responsible for the good food in the restaurant that we just left. They grow their own food, and they have a winery, and we're doing a tasting today at MOHI Farms.
We are, and then we're going to go eat there sometime.
You guys don't do olive oil?
If you guys want to follow me, I'll take you on back.
Our first stop, MOHI Ranch, felt like stepping into a storybook. This wasn't just a winery, it was a farm-to-table haven. As we sampled crisp whites and earthy reds, we were surrounded by the life and rhythm of the land itself. Chickens clucked in the background, and the scent of fresh herbs lingered in the air.
Our next tasting is going to be our still rosé, our 2019 Drunk in Love rosé, and then followed by that will be 2 really fun red blends. So
Nice.
enjoy. Yeah.
This place is gorgeous. What do you think so far?
Oh, I love it. I love it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
So nice out here. What a great day.
It is. And then after this, talk about great, another 3 tastings.
And now we're at the chicken coop. Let's check them out. Hey, chickens. Hey, where are you going?
Here we go.
Ah,
Nice fresh bottle. So
thank you.
Welcome.
Perfect.
There we go.
Thank
All right, thank you. Enjoy.
We are at MOHI Farms, and we are doing a wine tasting, and we are having a sparkling rosé, and we have 2 more tastings here, and then we're off to another winery. So far the surprise has been amazing.
They do this trolley all the time, and there's like 30 different wineries in this area. So every time they do it, they go to different wineries. So we're just going to see 3 wineries today, but we're going to keep doing this so we can see them all.
Is that fun or what? Napa is wonderful, but this is like the back roads of Napa, and I think the wine is better.
And now on to our next stop. The DeRose Winery was a portal to the past, a blend of fine wine and vintage steel. Here we discovered not just wine, but history. DeRose Winery holds the distinction of being the oldest continuously operating winery in California. Walking through its cellar felt like stepping into another era.
The vines here are over 120 years old, and they still produce some of the best Zinfandel in the region.
We get a box lunch, DeRose Winery.
That's right. And the wine tasting.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Okay, one coming.
Yeah, you got the box lunch. Nice sandwich, really good.
We are at our second winery, DeRose in Gilroy, California.
And then there was Satori Cellars, a winery like no other. Vibrant, eclectic, and alive with creativity, it was a feast for the senses. The wines here danced on the palate, much like the live music that filled the air.
Well, we are at Satori Winery, one of the great wineries in the region. We have a lot of friends that belong to this winery, and we finally got to come here with our trolley. So truly, we're trying the Zin, and it's $34 a bottle, and well worth every drop.
It's really good. It's been a really, really great day. We've had such a good time. So this is definitely highly recommended from us to do this.
You can do this too. Morgan Hill.
That's right.
I'm sorry that we almost left you.
Oh, that's all right.
Phone. I started calling him through the door. We're the last ones. Let's move your butt.
It's like,
Let's go.
like, I'm coming. Just hold on a minute.
And then he forgot his phone. Yeah. So, my fault. I can feel the raindrops. Yes, here we go. Time to pay up.
Pay the piper.
There's no help for us.
Seriously.
Satori literally means a moment of enlightenment. That's exactly how it felt. A culmination of everything we'd experienced distilled into one perfect moment.
Okay, that was it. We're getting back on the trolley, heading home.
I survived 3 wineries.
As we made our way back, the trolley carried more than just people. It carried stories, laughter, and the connections we made along the way. There's something magical about wine, how it draws us together, how it transforms an afternoon into an adventure.
And so we left with more than when we arrived. A deeper appreciation for the beauty of this wine region, and the realization that sometimes the best adventures are the ones that are just a short drive away.
We are so glad we explored the Morgan Hill Wine Trolley, and it isn't just a tour, it's a discovery of new wines, a connection with new friends, and unforgettable memories.
This was more than a wine tour. It was a journey into the heart of what makes life beautiful. From the farm-to-table elegance of MOHI Ranch to the historic charm of DeRose and the vibrant energy of Satori, Each stop added a new layer to our story.
Thank you for joining us on this Philpott adventure. And if you're new to wine or a seasoned expert, there's something here for you.